Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this Panasonic Walkman in need of a new belt. So this is the RQ X05 and it's a metallic player, quite a nice one. As you can see, it runs on a single AA. So I've tested it, it makes some noise, but there is no sign of life, sadly. The motor spoles do not turn, so we do need to desolder the motor. Alright, so that's two places you need to completely desolder, which in my experience makes these Panasonic Walkmans the most difficult to repair. Alright, that seems to be good. Now let's see, what kind of belt do we need? Alright, I think that's actually perfect. Alright, it is working. Alright, it does seem to be working, even though sometimes it does make some weird noises. But everything seems to be fine. Yeah, I was actually wrong. This side is plastic and this side is metallic, so it is not an all metallic body. Alright everyone, so that was it. Hope that you find this useful. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, it always helps. And otherwise you can subscribe. And until next time, this was the Electron Age. Bye.